Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see the topic numbers in this exercise 1.6 sixth question. Simplify 3 square whole cube multiply 2 into 3 power 5 whole power minus 2 in multiply 8 square. Here you want to simplify by using exponents law. Already we know a power m whole power n is a power m into n. That means power we want to multiply. So here also it is same like 3 square whole cube. So here we have two powers. So power we want to multiply. So 3 square whole cube is, it's 2 3s are 6. 3 power 6 multiply. First we want to remove the brackets. So if there is no power means you will consider as 1. So 1 into minus 2 is 2 power minus 2 multiply 3 power 5 into minus 2 into 18. We can write 9 2s are 18. 9 into 2 whole square. So again 9 we can write, it's a 3 square. So instead of 9 you can write 9 is equal to 3 square. So 3 power 6 multiply 2 power minus 2 multiply 3 power 5 2s are, its minus is there, 5 2s are 10. So minus 10 multiply 9 square we can write 3 square multiply 2 into then whole square. Again we want to remove the bracket. So we have outside also, after the bracket we have the power. So that power you can multiply inside. 3 power 6 into 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 10 multiply 3 power 2 2s are 4, 3 power 4. Then if there is no power means consider as 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So 2 power 2. So if bases are same means power we can add. A power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So we have 3 power 6, 3 power 4. Bases are same. So power you can add 3 power 10 into 3 power minus 10 into 2 power minus 2 into 2 power 2. So if powers are negative means a power minus n we can write 1 by a power n. So a 3 power minus 10 we can write 1 by 3 by 10. So either you can write directly or you can, by using this identity you can cancel. So 3 power 10, 3 power 10, positive power alone you will keep it in numerator, 2 square by 3 power 10 into 2 power 2. So same we can cancel, 3 power 10, 3 power 10, 2 square we can cancel. So answer is 1. Next question, 9 square into 7 cube into 2 power 5 divided by 84 cube. So here also by using exponents law you can simplify. 9 square we can write 3 square. Then we have power is 2. So 3 square whole square. So 3, 2 2s are 4. So 3 power 4. So 9 square we can write 3 power 4. Then 84 divide with 2 table. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Then 3 table. 3 7s are 21. Then 7 1. So if possible to split the number means you can split. So 84 we can write 2 square into 3 into 7. So instead of 9 square you can write 3 power 4. Then 84 you can write 2 square into 3 into 7. So 3 power 4 into 7 cube into 2 power 5. 7 and 2 and all we can't able to split. So write as it is divided by 2 square then 3 into 7 into, already we have power is cube. So that also you will write. Next step you want to remove this bracket, then power you can multiply inside. Then 7 cube 2 power 5 by 2 power 6, then multiply 3 power 3 into 7 cube. If there is no power means we will consider as 1. 1 into 3 is 3. Then 7 cube we can cancel. So bases are same. In division means a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. So power we can subtract. So 3 power 4 minus 3 multiply 2 power 5 minus 6. So 3 power 1 into 2 power minus 1. So a power minus n we can write 1 by a power n. So 2 power minus 1 we can write by 2 1 by 2. So the answer is 3 by 2. Next question, solve for x. Here you want to find out x value. See here, 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 it's equal to 4. So this is division. If we are moving that side, it should be multiply. So 2 power 2x minus 1 it's equal to 4 into 2 power x plus 2. So 4 we can write 2 square. 2 power 2x minus 1 it's equal to 2 square into 2 power x plus 2. So bases are equal and multiply. So power you can add. 2 power 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 power x plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. This become x plus 4. So 2 power 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 power x plus 4. Now bases are equal means powers also will be equal. So bases are equal. So powers also will be equal. 2x minus 1 is equal to x plus 4. So x you can bring one side. 2x, this plus x if you are moving that side, minus x. Then 4 minus 1 if you are moving that side, plus 1. So x is equal to 5. So answer is x is equal to 5. Next question, 5 power 5 multiply 5 power minus 4 then into 5 power x divided by 5 power 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. So the division we will move on to that side. So it should be multiply. So here bases are equal and multiply means power we want to add. So 5 power 5 minus 4 plus x it's equal to 5 power minus 5 into 5 power 12. So this division if you are moving that side, multiply. So 5 power 5 minus 4 is 1 plus x it's equal to 5 power. Again bases are equal and multiply. Power we want to add. Minus 5 plus 12. 5 power 1 plus x it's equal to 5 power minus 5 plus 12 it's 7. Again bases are equal means powers also will be equal. So write the condition. Bases are equal. So powers also will be equal. 1 plus x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. This plus 1 if you are moving that side, minus 1. So x is equal to 6. So answer x is equal to 6. Next question, expand using exponents. So using exponents means usually expanded form means we will write each and every number we will write in. By using place value we will expand, but here by using exponents. Exponents means we want to write it in power form. So first you will write the place values, point before and all. It's Indian system, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So how many thousand we have? 6. So 1000 we can write 10 cube. 100 we can write 10 square. Then tens we can write 10 power 1. Then first decimal places is the 10th place. So 1 by 10 we can write 10 power minus 1. 1 by 100 we can write 10 power minus 2. Then 1 by 1000 we can write 10 power minus 3. So like this you can increase the zeros, then you can write. So 6 into 1000 place. So 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 we can write into 10 cube plus its 100 place is 0, so 0 plus 10th place is 5 into 10 square plus 4 into 10 power, it's a 1th place, so 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So 10 power 0 is also 1. So 4 into 10 power 0 is 1. So 4 plus 3 into, so it's the decimal place. Start with 10th place. So 10 power minus 1 plus 2 into 10 power minus 2 plus 1 into 10 power minus 3. So like this you can expand and write the numbers. So each and every number you can write the place values. Then we'll expand. If it is write it in powers means whole number, you can write it in positive power. Decimals means you can write it in negative powers. Same ones, tens, 100. So 8 into 100 place 10 square plus 9 into 10th place, so 10 power 1 plus 7 into its 1st place, so 10 power 0. So 10 power 0 is 1, so 7 into 1 is 7 plus 1 into, it's a decimal place, 10th place, so 10 power minus 1 plus 4 into, it's 100 place means 1 by 100 we can write 10 power minus 2. So 10 power minus 2. So decimal place means powers will come in negative. Whole number place means power you will get positive. Next question, find the number in standard form for the following exponents. Here they are given in by using exponents form they expanded, but you want to write it in standard form. So 10 power 4 means it's a 10,000. So 8 into 10,000 is 80,000 plus 7 into 10 cube is 1,000. So 7,000 plus 6 into 100 square is 10 square is 100. So 600. So 5 into 10 power 1. So it's 10. So 50 plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 4 into 10th place 100 place. So 10 power minus 2 we can write 1 by 10 square. 10 square is 100. So 4 by 100 we can write 0.04 plus 7. 10 power minus 4 means it's a 4 zeros, 4 decimal. So you can add 4. Okay. So 10 power minus, if you have doubt you can write like this, 10 power 4. So 10 power 4 is, it's a 10,000. So 7 by 10,000. So 0.0007 we can write. So 4 number after it will keep decimal. So then you can write it in standard form. 8, 7, 6, 5, 2 point. There is no 10th place. So 0, 100 place is 4. Then there is no 1000 place, 0. Then 10,000 places 7. So answer is 87,652.0407. Same here also, second question, the radius of hydrogen atom is, it's given 2.5 into 10 power minus 11 meter. So here you want to write it in standard form. So first you will write the number 25. So how many decimal place? Here 11. So 11, already we have here 1 decimal. So totally 12 decimal. So 12 zeros you can add before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 number after, you will keep the point. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So 12 number after, you can keep the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 number after we'll keep the point. So the answer is 0.000000000025. Then it is given in meter, so answer also will write it in meter. Next question, write the following number in scientific notation. So scientific notation means first part is, it has two parts. First part is belongs to the number between 1 to 9 and second number is belongs to, it's the powers of 10. So after the first digit, you will keep the point 4.678. Then count after 4, how many digits you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So multiply 10 power 11. So scientific notation means it has two parts. First part is the number between 1 to 9. Then second part is its powers of 10. And second number, so numbers alone you can choose 1972. So first number after you will keep point, then multiply. So before zeros means its power is negative. So how many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is also its decimal. So totally we have 6 decimal. So 10 power minus 6. So before zeros means it's negative powers. After the number, if you are getting zeros means it's a positive number, positive powers. Third question, Earth volume is about 1,083, 000, 000, then 00 cubic kilometers. They are given very big number. You want to write it in short scientific notation, the given number. So same like number alone you can choose 1.083. 083, then multiply, count 1 after how many places we have? 3, 6, 9, 12. So into 10 power 12 cubic kilometers.